is Sriram. I just want to share some experience about the Chennai flood last year and what we could salvage. I got up in the morning at 5 o'clock. I just came out and saw there was no issue. Within 10 minutes, water all of a sudden was gushing from all directions at high velocity. We have some exquisite gardens, puja room, all paintings have been hand painted by my great grandmother and grandmother, which I value as the biggest treasure in my life. When we removed the last Swami, I was more than knee deep water. This house has been submerged in water fully for about 36 hours. It was so bad. Everything, all the fridge was fallen, all the things. So I just removed all the things, threw them out, and all the furniture. 2 sofas and cots, everything is washing machine was broken, television was broken. We were able to save only the dynamic sleep kitchen in this flood. I have not replaced any board, any accessory, or even any hinges. They have just cleaned it again and put some oil in, and it's working perfectly. As it was in 2008. From 2008 to 2016, it has withstood 8 years of basic wear and tear endurance. I have not changed any handle. No handle has got loosened and come out. I have not changed any accessory, no rust formation, nothing. And see, not even one hinge, not even a hinge has been replaced. I am really thankful to Sleep Kitchen and Mr. Nandakumar for putting the best material, value for money. You see the condition of this Sleep Kitchen, how much I have spent on this kitchen, 2000 rupees to repair a kitchen submerged in flood for 36 hours. This is real endurance test, real withstanding the nature's fury. I honestly, from the bottom and core of my heart, thank Sleep and Mr. Nandakumar, Dynamic Ananagar Chennai, for giving us a great product and great service. Thanks so much to them. Namaskar.